Hello, my dear viewers. My name is Fred, and I'm an information scientist with a bachelor's in library and information science. And I also have a certificate in ICDL, that is the digital literacy, things to do with the computer, online research, Internet of Things, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to inform you that I created a channel called the INFOLAB Academy. So my YouTube channel, the INFOLAB Academy, is going to dwell on different aspects. So I'm going to be talking about different things. For example, the library and information science on this channel. Things to do with how to catalog books, how to shelve books, and so on and so forth. I'm also going to dwell on things like the AI tools like the ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on and so forth. Other things will be the research. You know, nowadays the world is all about research. Okay? How can we do the citations, the referencing styles, the APA? You all know the APA, the MLA, and so on and so forth, the referencing tools. We'll be even talking about, on our channel, I'll be talking about things like the AI tools, the ChatGPT. Microsoft Office suite like the PowerPoint, Word, Access, Excel. Also things to do with the digital literacy, like the research online databases. So all those are the things that we are going to be dealing with to see that we can uplift information, skills, and impart knowledge into our viewers or my viewers. So in summary, the INFOLAB Academy will be talking about library and information science, Microsoft suite like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, information technology fundamentals, digital research tools and academic databases, productivity tools and digital workflows, artificial intelligence tools, and modern digital skills. Yeah. I'm calling my dear viewers, those that are watching this video and those that will watch this video, to please kindly subscribe to my channel, the INFOLAB Tech, a channel which is here to change a difference within you in terms of information and technology. Yeah. Like and subscribe to this video with your friends, family. Yeah, thank you so much.